Hello my beauty ladies, welcome to my channel. Today's palette is this, and I create this look. It is my version of holiday makeup, so if you are interested in how I create this look, then keep on watching. With glucose, I set my eye primer, and then I'm taking sugarcane and I use it as my transition color. With Town Pop, I'm basically kind of doing same thing but lower than I did the last shade, and then buff and blend the edges. I'm tapping extraction into place first on the outer corner of my eye, and I wanted to make sure that majority of this color is going to stay on the outer corner before I blend. And then I'm adding Comber to the outer corner of my eyes to deepen up. Blend the edges with Wingus number 16. I'll repeat the same thing to make sure that it's deep enough. And blend the edges once again with Wingus number 16. I'm just gonna pat the donor on with my fingertips and pressing on super gently. I'm gonna take sweetener onto the inner portion of my eye. With my fingertips, I'm gonna go ahead take blood sugar, and I'm tapping over the edge of donor and Comber so that we have nice fade. I'm taking Town Pop and running it along my crease. I'm using the shade Noir from a ABH palette, and I'm using it as my easy peasy eyeliner with a flat brush, and you can use any flat brush you have. Now is the complexion part. I'm using the reverse foundation routine, and if you want to know more about it, you can check out my video. I'll put the card on the screen right there. Okay, you can check that out. For my dimension, I'm taking Comber and applying it to the outer part of my lower lash line. everything I used in this video I'll list down below, so please check that out. And other than that, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like my video, then please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell, and see you on next video. Bye bye.